Hey there, get your ukulele and join me. We're going to be learning Summertime Blues, which is a classic rock and roll tune. We'll be learning some cool skills and playing the entire song with a special jam track that I made for this video. The long-awaited part 2 for my Rockabilly for You course is finally here. I'm so excited to share this with you. There are links in the video description down below with all the details. I just want to share 3 quick things about it. This 2-hour course is going to be premiered live Sunday, September 18th at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. If you can't attend live, no sweat. You'll be able to access it just a few days after the live premiere. If you do attend live, I'm going to be doing some cool giveaways, and I hope you can join me for this special live event. The entire course is organized into easy-to-follow chapters. It comes with a PDF book with song sheets, tablatures, strum diagrams, and also 4 awesome jam tracks that I made for you so you can really rock out with these tunes. And by the way, I'll be offering another one of these courses later this fall, all about jazz and swing. All the details are at the links in the description below. Thanks very much for listening. Let's rock out. The introduction to Summertime Blues teaches us 2 very cool skills: chord slides and a syncopated strum.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Chord slides not only make it sound cool, but they train our hand to be relaxed, which is always a good thing. Take your C major chord and strum it, and then drop your middle finger onto the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, so you're playing a C5 chord. That's open, open, 3, 3. Now, move it back 1 fret, so you're playing at the 2nd fret, and strum with some authority, and move it up 1 fret. We have to strum it with enough volume that the sounds will sustain as we slide up. Now, as you try this, start to pay attention to how we must have a light touch in order to make the slide happen. Try it one more time with me. Slide. Slide, and follow it with down, up. Let's put those 2 motions together. Slide, down, up. Let's do it again. Slide, down, up, slide, down, up, slide, down, up. As you practice these, try to make them as light as you can. It's almost like your fingers are pivoting like a basketball player would when dribbling on 1 foot. Now, before we play the whole tune with the jam track, let's learn the rest of it, which is the syncopated rhythm. Now, the chords are not so hard to play. It's simply C, F, G, and C. What's tricky is what's happening with the strumming hand. The trick is to not strum on beat 1, to strum right after beat 1 on an up strum. Let's count it out and tap your foot with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. The pattern, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. When you try this at tempo, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's put it all together and play the entire tune with the jam track. Now, there's so much more I'm going to be sharing with you about this and 3 other tunes, so if you want to join me for that class, check the links down below. That course is so much more than just a bag of tricks bundled together. It really is designed to make you into a better overall musician while making your music journey more relaxing, more joyful. Hope you can join me for it. I'm glad you're here. Either way, let's jam.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Trying to earn a dollar. Every time I call my baby, trying to get a date, my boss says,
"No die, son, you gotta work late."
Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, but there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. me, son, you better make some money. If you wanna use the car to go a riding next Sunday. Well, I didn't go to work, told the boss I was sick.
You can't use the car 'cause you didn't work a lick.
Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, but there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. I'm gonna take 2 weeks, gonna have a fine vacation. I'm gonna take my problem to the United Nations. Well, I called my congressman and he said, whoa,
Now I'd like to help you, son, but you're too young to vote.
sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, but there ain't no cure for the summertime blues.